Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show the table data into the text field. Like if I click on the row, these data should appear in the text field and in the radio button, checkbox, drop down box, etc. So to do that, let's go to the coding. Click on the right click on the table, go to the event and then mouse clicked and perform the coding here. So declare one variable int I equal to uh, see the table variable name. Okay, here it is jtable1. Copy this, control v, dot get selected row, get selected row and semicolon. After that, default table model model equal to, copy this, control C, and within the small bracket paste it, then the table name, that is jtable1, paste it here, dot get model, semicolon. After that, check the text field variable, that is for the name jtextfield1, like that for the father name jtextfield2, and for address jtextfield3. So jtextfield1 dot set text here model dot get value at the width. Here this I is the variable just we declared, and here we use 1. That is, let's run its once. Okay, run anyway. This is the one. We haven't made any text field for the ID because we don't think ID is much important. So ID, the width for ID is 0, for the name is 1 2 3, like that. So we have used here 1. After that, dot to string, copy this line, control C, and paste it for the father's name and for the address, that is for the father name jtextfield2, for the address jtextfield3. Here it is 2 and 3. After that, there is a date chooser. So for the date chooser, I will use try catch block, try catch exception E, okay. So a message j option pen dot show message, that is null. Okay, now go to the try block. Here date equal to new simple date format, and within the bracket use 4 times y for the year and capital M 2 times for the month, and small d 2 times for the day. After that, dot parse, make s capital for the string, and here one more opening bracket. After that, model dot get value at okay I, and here it is 4 dot to string. Okay, one more bracket, then semicolon. Now here we have to import the date, so import java utl date. Okay, after that, see the variable for the date chooser, right click and change the variable name. Here copy this, okay, paste it here, then after set date, and here pass date. This is date, this date should be passed here. Okay, this is done for the birth date. After that, for the gender, okay, string gender equal to model dot get value at get model dot get value at I, and width is here it is 5 dot to string then semicolon. After that, use if else condition. If gender dot equals, that is male, if gender dot equals male, here if gender dot equals male, then okay, see the variable name, this variable, okay, copy it, JRadio button 1 dot set selected, that is true. If gender equals to male, then JRadio button is checked to true, else here we don't need to check it again, else copy this, Ctrl C, okay, this should be here, else Ctrl V, JRadio button 2 dot selected, that is true. After that, technical skill. So for the technical skill, string skills equal to model dot get value at, here after 5 it is, that is 6 dot to string semicolon. After that, here again I will use if else condition. If skills dot equals that is Java, what is, okay friends, okay, here if skills dot equals Java, if this equal to Java, then here give it a space here, because along with the Java or along with the skills we have also saved. Here you can see skill, we have also saved the space. So for that we are again using here the space Java. Then okay, it is J checkbox 1, it is J checkbox 2, 3, 4. So copy one, okay, copy and then paste it here. It is dot set selected, make it true, and other ones make false. So copy this and paste 3 times again. Okay, 2, 3 and 4, false, false and false. After that again else, again copy this, Control C, sorry, paste it here. If skills dot equal, after Java what is there? See, it is Python. Write it same as there it is in the form, just like for the Java J is capital, for the Python P is capital. Okay, write in the same way Python and space. Then J checkbox 1 becomes false, J checkbox 2 becomes true, other becomes false. After that again else and paste it here, dot equals Java, then C sharp. In the third, here you can see in the third option there is C sharp. Then all becomes false except J checkbox 1, J checkbox 3. Okay, then after again paste it, dot equals, that is dot net. Then all become false except J checkbox 4. Okay, make it true. And in the else, okay, here we don't need to check, here we can write directly else and all becomes true. All becomes true. Okay, this is done for the skill. After that what we have? J combo box, that is faculty. So for that string faculty equal to model dot get value at that is number 7 dot to string. And after that if again use the if else condition, if faculty dot equals what is there in the first, if faculty dot equals, that is science and technology. Write in the same way that for the science is S is capital and for the technology T is small. So write in the same way as we have in the used in the form science and technology. Okay, double inverted comma, then that is J combo box 1 dot set selected index, that is 0. Okay, copy it, Control C, and after else paste it here. Okay, in the second option what is there? Okay, for that let's run it once. In the first option, that is science and technology. In the second, that is commerce, education and art. For the commerce, C is capital, for the education, E is capital, and for the art, A is capital. So commerce, education and art. So in the second number, commerce. Okay, in the second number, commerce and index 1. Okay, copy it again and paste it. In the third number, that is education, and in the last we don't have to check here, use it directly, else J combo box dot set selected, Control V. Okay, for the science and technology, here we have used 0, and for the commerce 1, here 2, and for the rest or for the last one, that is 3. Sorry, it is 3. Okay, I think that's all the code we need to view the data in the text fields. So run the program. Okay, give username and password. Okay, now if I click on the particular row, that row data should appear here in these fields. Okay, so I am clicking here in the 21 ID, that is Mohit, Rohit, KTM. Okay, look at, okay, all the datas are coming in these text fields, radio buttons, technical skills, and in the faculty. But I think here in the skill there are showing errors. So let us try other. Okay, here that is Python, correct, everything is good. Okay, it is also .NET, but here in the C#, it is checking in all the technical skills. So let us check this for the C#, Java, Python. Okay, give it a space. Okay, again run the program. Okay, now it is good. All the datas are clearly showing in this text field, you can see that. Okay, let's check. This is 17 number. Okay, yes name Mac, father name Jack, address ABC, and date of birth is also right, and then after gender male, and skill is Python, and faculty is science, and faculty is education. So it is running very well as we wanted. So okay, it's okay for this video. So friends, in the next video I will add 2 more buttons for the update and delete option, and I will show you how we can update the data and how we can delete the data in the further videos. So take care and bye bye, see you in the next video.